Happy New Year, everyone! Okay, guys, so this one, I actually started using this last November of 2020, so just 2 months ago. I bought it from National Bookstore. It's only 659 pesos, and it's really thick. It's really good. I think this faux leather, I'm not sure if it's actually leather. I think it's like more of a plastic. I'm just not sure what it's called, but it's really nice. Even the ring binding on this, it's really nice. So I use this for most of my work planning, and as well as some of my day-to-day activities. So here you can see that I have some of my stickers from Papeterie. There, she's one of my favorite, sticker maker. And then I have here crafted by Sophie, and then I also have like post-it. I like this post-it, like it's like plastic and translucent, so whenever I write something in them, it will not cover the pages where I have some of my notes as well in my planner. I also like this. It's like translucent as well, like an arrow marker or an arrow post-it. And then there's this one. I really love this. It's simply gilded post-it. It's just very fancy, so I put it in here. Okay, so let me just give you like a snapshot or flip through of this planner. So there you go. This is what I mostly do. So these are what's in my planner from the past months, and then I plan to continue just using this planner for the entire year, since I still have a lot of pages that are still blank because I just started it last November. I also put in some of the Crafted by Sophie journaling cards that I got from her box. It's really nice. Most, if not all, of her journaling cards have Bible verses. That's why I really love it. So I put it in here. These are the ribbons from Bo X Glam PH. They really customized it for me. They usually create ribbons for kids, but I asked them if they can make me like a ribbon for paperclip. Okay, and then this are like my monthly. So here you can see these are my monthly goals. I just put in here October best, etc. November, December, January, February. So I forgot to put in the December one. March. There you go. And then this, I just this is not part of the notebook. I just put in a DIY customized sheet in here, just so to put in my goals. Okay, this is Bo X Glam PH as well. These are my to-do lists. I also put in, like, here you can see those markers that I really love. And then there, that's actually most of what's inside this National Bookstore planner. For me, it's really good. It's really helping me to make sure that I have everything planned for my week, if not for my month. Okay, alright. So apart from that, you can also, I have here the sticker that I used for this particular planner, and then there's a notepad as well in here that comes with this planner. So this is really good if you wanted to just buy something that is not really that costly. I highly recommend this one from National Bookstore. Let me see. Yeah, I think this is specifically made for National Bookstore. Okay? Alright, there you go, guys. Okay, so now, as promised, I will also show and share with you yung mga knickknacks na ginagamit namin. So that would mean stickers and some of the maybe ephemera, and as well as washi tape. So let me just give you a quick flip through.